Alright, so this is going to be a really short video because I'm just going to be showing you one app which I think works really well and brings back the night mode functionality of the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 11 series to the iPhone SE 2020. And the app is called NeuralCam, so I have the app searched right here. So you can see NeuralCam Nightmode. Of course, it's not 100% like the iPhone 11 series night mode, but it does the job really well. Of course, you can't do like maybe Huawei's, night mode. Of course, that is really extreme, but this does a pretty good job. I mean, if you have adequate light. So the app is not free, you do have to pay it. So I bought this during my iPhone 10 out time, and it's been a while, so I'm not really sure how much it costs anymore. I think I paid about $4 US. But anyway, this is the app right here. So you can see NeuralCam Night Mode. So you can see the frames kind of drops. I mean, this is the updated version of the app. Let me bring you a test subject right here. Let me show you right here. Okay, let me lower my studio lights and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so you can see I've really dimmed my studio lights to the bare minimum. I've actually off all the ambient lights. So you can see this case right here. So I'm going to be taking a picture of the case with the stock camera app. So you can see I'm opening the stock camera app. Let me take a quick picture. Okay, now let me take a picture with the NeuralCam app. Same picture. See, taking a long exposure. Okay, so we have done both pictures. Let me turn back the studio lights and show you the difference. Okay, so let's get to the gallery. Alright, so this first picture right here, you can see is taken with the stock camera app. Let me show you the one taken with the NeuralCam app. You can see it's a lot better, a lot cleaner and detailed. But of course, this app has some bugs still. I mean, the previous version of this app was a lot better. Let me show you this one taken by the stock camera app. You can see a lot of difference. Right here, you can see this is a lot brighter. So I mean, yes, Smart HDR does help a tad. But of course, if you do have the NeuralCam app, you're going to get night mode capabilities with your iPhone SE 2020. But of course, I'm not talking about pitch black conditions. If you're shooting in pitch black conditions, definitely no, it's not going to work. It's probably a 50-50 chance that the app is going to mess up. So I do not really recommend. I mean, if you really want to take night mode pictures, go get an iPhone 11 or something, and that will perform definitely better than the NeuralCam app right here. But I mean, considering that this app costs a few bucks, I mean, it's no harm to actually purchase this app, especially if you're in situations where you really need to use the camera. This app might be of great help. So this has been a very quick video. Hope you guys found this interesting. If you did like it, hit the thumbs up button, and also I'll be back for more content just like this. So see you guys in the next video.